Hey, what's going on guys? This is Vicky here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make $10,000 per month. Okay, so guys, this system it pays you $2,000 per sale. Okay, and this is high ticket affiliate marketing. So if it pays $2,000 per sale, all you need is only 5 sale to make $10,000, right? So before I show you how you can get on this high ticket system and how you can make $10,000 per month, let me show you my results. Okay, so as you can see guys, I got paid $2,000 here, and this is from just one single sale. Okay, and then there is another person, she got paid $2,000 commission as well, and this is also from one single sale. And guys, there is another person, she made $2,000 as well from one single sale. So guys, that's how you're gonna get paid $2,000 per sale, and that 5 sale would be $10,000 per month, right? So now let me show you how you can get started on this system and how you can make $2,000 per sale. Okay, so guys, the step one here is to create your account. So this is the system guys, this is called Genesis Lifestyle Network. Okay, so what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and click on this green button, okay, which says create your account. Once you will create your account, you will land to the back office. Okay, so this is the back office. As you can see, it says mastery package, so I am at the mastery package. First of all, what you're gonna do is you will see upgrade button right here. Okay, so you will click on upgrade button. Since I have already upgraded, so you are not seeing that button here, but you will see the upgrade option here when you will land for the first time. Once you will click that upgrade button, you will see this bonus package. Okay, so if you upgrade at the 24 hour after creating your account, you will get 200 free clicks of interested buyers to your affiliate link. Okay, the system will send 200 clicks to your affiliate link, okay, as a bonus. So the first step guys is to create your GLN, Genesis Lifestyle Network account, okay, and then upgrade it to the mastery package. Once you have upgraded to the mastery package, what you're gonna do is simply click here which says setup system, okay, and you will see this 6 step. So as you can see here, it says set up your system, please watch this video. So you're gonna watch this video and follow what it says to do. Okay, similarly you have to follow all these 6 steps. Okay, so this is just one time setup guys, you have to do this 6 step just for the one time, and once you have done that, you are ready to send traffic to your affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna send traffic to your affiliate link. So to do that, this system recommends one of the traffic sources, which is Udemy. Okay, so here on this traffic source guys, simply click on main traffic source and select top tier countries. Okay, select language English. Okay, and niche select marketing. Okay, and got sale, do at least 50%. Okay, and then scroll down. So as you can see here, it says promoted, right? Here it says promoted as well, here it says promoted as well. Okay, so these are kind of ads, so you're gonna ignore those promoted, and then you scroll down, and here you can see these are the traffic that you're gonna buy from these people. Okay, so like if I scroll down here, so let's take for this person here, you can click on this option says buy solo. Okay, once you have clicked that, you're gonna buy the minimum clicks, okay, which is 200 clicks, and it says only link. So this is the place you will paste your affiliate link. Okay, you will put your affiliate link here, you will click on checkout, and what will happen is you will get 200 clicks, okay, to your sales page here. Okay, so guys, this is how you will drive traffic to your system, and you will get traffic and sales to your system as well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna give you a special bonus from my side as well. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy 300 clicks at the mastery package to your affiliate link, so you can get a head start and you can get traffic and sales to your system. Okay, then second bonus that I'm gonna give you is I'm gonna give you one-on-one Zoom call. Okay, and I'm gonna discuss the strategies that you can use to increase your sales. Okay, and then the third bonus that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you my review video of this system, so you can upload on your YouTube channel. Okay, and you can get traffic from YouTube as well. So guys, if you want to make this $2,000 commission, this $2,000 commission here, okay, or if you want to make $10,000 per month, okay, simply go ahead, click the link below and create your account and follow this step 1 and step 2, and you will be able to get this system going and make sales like me and like all these peoples.